Hey guys, this is Steven with my tool reviews. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Milwaukee M18 LED searchlight model number 2354-20. I will be using the Milwaukee M18 12.0 as well as the Milwaukee XC 6.0 M18 battery to test it out. So here we go. Alright, so here is the Milwaukee M18 LED searchlight. This is again model number 2354-20. It has a full rotating head, multiple modes, so just to get an idea, it's not too big. Definitely looks like a searchlight, something you would use in the outdoors, you know. So yeah, here's what it looks like with the 6.0 battery. It's not too big. Here's what it looks like with the 12.0 battery. So, just some fun facts to know about it. It has spot and flood mode, spot, and it also has a strobe mode. Strobe mode can give you up to 1,200 lumens, spot can do 600, flood can do 1,200 lumens, and spot and flood can do 1,250 lumens. They say with a 5.0 battery you can get about to 4 hours in the 1,200 lumen range and about 7 hours on the 600 lumen range. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be testing it out in a dark area so you guys can see how bright the flashlight is.